I'm Jeremy Lord, and I'll be presenting the marketing plan for the off-campus group, continuing on with Varian Medical Systems, specifically their X-ray product line. So the target market comes in two sessions. There's two sections. The customer, which is a widely ranging group. The market has differences in the difference in finances that the customer has available to them. Large hospitals and major metropolitan areas have larger financial resources available to them than as compared to a smaller hospital in a rural area. But they do need to provide imaging services for their patients. So there's a variable both demand, and that's why the variation in the products that Varian Medical offers. Additionally, outpatient medical centers typically have less cash on hand to purchase new imaging equipment, and unless it's something that meets a specific need or significantly outperforms their current equipment. Additionally, private industrial use, these are in general private firms that will be purchasing X-ray equipment for a specific need. In the United States, the secondary customer to Varian are people that are seeking treatment or diagnosis from one of the original customers. A little over $7,000 per person is what we in the United States spend annually on healthcare, for a total of almost slightly over $2.2 trillion for the country as a whole. The initial cost for purchasing the X-ray equipment is quite substantial, leading to these high costs as the medical services pass this cost on to the consumer. Varian, as they position their product, they would like it to be used for both diagnosis and treatment. The slogan is a partner for life. This takes on many meanings. We'd like to see the patients see the products as reliable and accurate ways to diagnose their illnesses and extend their life. I also like the slogan to mean something to the customers. The hospitals and imaging centers should feel that this means Varian is partnered with them to provide not only high quality imaging equipment, but high quality service to ensure their imaging system is functioning properly. Also training them on how to get the most out of their systems, and service for their systems is keep their equipment functioning properly. Varian should position itself as a full service manufacturer of high quality imaging equipment. This is done through the new MyVarian customer support site that they started in 2007, quality customer service, and continued public relations outreach, supported through many seminars they offer on radiology and imaging. With the passage of new healthcare laws, increases in cost of medical care, Varian's open systems approach lets customers integrate its upgrades with old equipment, even including competitors' equipment, presenting additional opportunity to steal more market share, versus not true of all competitors. There should be two primary goals in Varian's marketing mix. One is to continue to offer the latest medical imaging equipment in different product packages to the customers, expand their already majority market share in the increases in technological advancements, including cardiovascular imaging, proton therapy, and expand their rapid arc line of product. Should also expand their open systems approach program, letting customers integrate their new upgrades with their old equipment, letting the customer not have to purchase an entirely new system. Secondary goal would be to focus on client-based relationships. Varian needs repeat customers, and with the success of Open Systems program, is expanding into more of a service-oriented company. It's important that Varian maintain closer and personal relationships with their clients. Even though they're a large company, they want customers to feel as though they're getting personal service to fit their needs. The products that Varian produced range from traditional film X-rays to advanced digital systems. Traditional film X-ray tubes are produced both as new systems and as replacement tubes for existing systems. Owning a majority of the X-ray market, Varian has thousands of X-ray tubes available for immediate shipment as replacements in existing systems. They also have the ability to take the exact specifications of customers to design and manufacture X-ray tubes to meet individual needs. Software has also been developed to give users of traditional systems some of the advanced features available on digital systems. So digital X-ray is the newest technology. Varian is a leader in the technological development of this type of system. This is an expensive initial investment for customers, but those willing to make that investment are seeing great returns. The digital system allows shorter amount of time to evaluate each patient, allowing for a larger volume to flow through the treatment facility. As patients are made aware of the advanced capabilities of treatment facilities with digital X-ray systems, there's been an increased customer demand for those services. X-ray products are available for a wide range of applications, many of which are customer specific. To meet these needs, Varian offers a large number of X-ray tubes that are capable of being immediately shipped after customer specific preferences have been adjusted. Next, we'll consider the distribution channels for Varian X-ray products. Custom X-ray tubes are designed on contract with original equipment manufacturers will be managed through direct, sustained relationships. Replacement X-ray tube products, on the other hand, are distributed through two major types of channels. First, the tubes can be purchased directly from Varian via its wholly owned subsidiary, Varian Interray. This distributor will likely service larger business customers as well as resellers of Varian products. Immediate shipping is offered, which provides customers with the opportunity to very quickly replace tubes and place broken machines back in service. These resellers are generally medical equipment distributors, many of which have a web presence. The fact that both Varian and the distributors sell the same products could potentially cause some channel conflict. However, these resellers are not exclusive distributors of Varian products. Here you can see an example of the tables Varian offers on its website to help customers select the correct Varian tube for their machine. Ordering is done through either email or phone contact with Varian Interray. And here we see an example of one of Varian's distributors, a medical imaging parts company called Imaging Affiliates, which focuses on American-made X-ray tubes. In order to facilitate global distribution, Varian has manufacturing facilities in both Europe and Asia, including a large division in Shanghai. Here we see an exchange between the United States Varian executives and the other delegates and a hospital using another line of Varian products in South Korea. Moving on to consideration of price, again we see a dichotomy between the sales types. Custom orders with manufacturers will be priced on a case-by-case basis with a close relationship with the manufacturer. Replacement tubes, on the other hand, are being sold in a relatively competitive market. Dunlea, a division of Philips Healthcare, competes as a producer of X-ray tubes domestically. Other larger health equipment manufacturers produce competing tubes, which can be lower priced as the manufacturing is done in China with lower labor costs. Finally, independent manufacturing companies based out of other countries, especially China, offer lower priced X-ray tube options. Overall, the profit margin on X-ray tube lines is lower than for Varian's other major product division, its oncology products. Here we have provided an example of the trade of lower cost competing Chinese-made X-ray tubes being sold to importers via the trade website Alibaba.com. X-ray tubes are expensive products with the relatively low profit margin. A single tube is in the range of $10,000 to $50,000. We were not surprised to find little evidence of any price promotions for Varian's products. It does offer warranties on its tubes and the option of restocking unneeded tubes, but most of the warranty information was only available on request. It was easier to find warranty information for tubes made by one of its competitors, Dunlea, for which we were able to find detailed information on the length of warranties and the nature of refunds on specific tubes. Varian Medical Systems is a large, multinational company that has the luxury of having its own marketing department. This ensures that the goals of the company are continually the focus of its marketing efforts. Each of the different product lines that Varian offers are marketed by groups that specialize in that particular field. The promotion for medical X-ray technology occurs primarily in medical journals, targeting the media that was of primary interest to their customer. Sales staff for this product line is responsible for the replacement of tubes, systems upgrades, and sales to new facilities. Varian has stayed away from government contracting to date, so industrial application promotion has focused almost exclusively on private sector users. Most advertising for this portion is done via print ad in various trade journals. The sales staff for this product line must have a wide experience base in order to assist the customer in making the appropriate purchase. Another function of the sales staff is the training of the end user on the operation of their X-ray equipment, even though they may not be familiar with the exact way the customer will use the X-ray system. As far as public relations are concerned, Varian works as an intermediary, providing advertising services for its customer, generally featuring the benefits of Varian products. Varian also uses a third-party web ad system to provide targeted web ads to the first-tier customers, or the medical facilities, and as well as the second-tier customers, patients seeking medical treatment. One area in which Varian distinguishes itself is through excellent customer service, which is critical since X-ray tubes are a service-intensive product. Customers need services ranging from repair to phone-based technical support to installation. In 2011, Varian launched the Premier Assurance service plans, which offer full complement of services. Over 1,500 service engineers and support staff are employed by Varian to provide all of these services. In summary, the marketing mix that Varian is using is successful in their company so far. It is a difficult market for new competitors to arise in, but as we've seen, as the global market continues to expand and lower labor costs in other parts of the world, there is an encroaching presence from other competitors. And technological advances will drive future decisions as far as what they do with their marketing. At this time, they're on the leading edge of developing digital systems, but in the future, that could change, and that'll change the way that Varian has to market their product at that point.